Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. For any defense force, it's not just attack or combat aircrafts and helicopters, which are very important, but also utility and transport aircraft play a similar vital roles for them. If we take Indian Air Force, the main utility transport helicopters which are used are Russia's Mi-17. Even though these helicopters are performing well, Indian armed forces are getting ready to replace them in near future. Since India has started promoting and using indigenous products, they don't want to depend on any other country for the replacement of the Russian Mi-17 choppers. So what are the options which they are looking for? The answer is the upcoming Indian multi-role helicopter. The Indian multi-role helicopter is a medium-lift transport helicopter currently under development by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Armed Forces. Initially, Indian Air Force and Indian Army were committed to this project, and now Indian Navy has also decided to come on board, giving a boost for this particular development. These upcoming planned choppers will serve a variety of roles like air attack, anti-submarine, anti-surface, military transport and VIP transport roles. There are going to be two variants of these choppers, one for Indian Air Force and Indian Army and another variant for Indian Navy. It is said that the naval IMRH, which is Indian multi-role helicopter, is likely to have a longer range and payload capacity when compared to the other variants of Indian Army and Indian Air Force. Not only that, the naval version of these choppers would also have specialized gear for marine operations, including a sonar and sea scanner radar. The naval and Indian Air Force and Army variants will have different engine configurations, and the selections of engines are underway. As per the defense sources, there are three options which are being reviewed, but this is not a confirmed news as of now. The three engine options which are being considered are: the first one in the list is the Russian Klimo VK2500 PS-03 turboshaft engine. These engines are equipped with full authority digital engine control for high and hot applications. These are the same engines which power the Indian Air Force Mi-17V choppers. The second option is from the United States, which is GE T700-401C. Even these are turboshaft engines, and these are the engines which powers the Sikorsky H-60 Black Hawk, the Boeing Apache AH-64, and Sikorsky H-60 Seahawk helicopters. The third option is from France, which is the Aneto turboshaft engines. Aneto high-power engine family is designed for the new super medium and heavy helicopter market. It will feature several models covering 2500 to 3000 shp power range. So let's expect all the required decisions are taken at the earliest, and the first flight of a full prototype happens by 2026 as planned. As per the defense sources, a total of 6 prototypes are planned for trials before the production starts. So these were the quick updates regarding the upcoming planned Indian multi-role helicopter. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more defense and aviation related updates from 10 Slide Info.